How to back up your Solflare Wallet account. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open the Solflare Wallet on your device. Then go ahead and click on the three lines on the top left hand side. It will lead you to your wallet or your account. Go ahead and tap on Edit on the top right hand side. Click on the three dots on top of your wallet and then click on Export Private Key. What you need to do is just go ahead and tap on Show. You can just go ahead and enter your passcode and check out your key. So you can tap on Copy, don't show this to others, and after you're done, you can go to your notes or any important file or folders which you have. After you find it, just go ahead and create a new file and paste all of these codes. So once you do this, it will be saved, and make sure that it is secure. So this is how easy it is to back up the Solflare wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.